I was sent this record player holder. Now I don't have a record player, but I'm gonna be using this as furniture in my girls' room, and I'm gonna give you the details up close. Okay, here it is in my girls' room. I added a few pieces to it. I'm gonna let them kind of decorate it more, but you can see that it can fit quite a lot of stuff on the shelving and keep it all organized. And just a perfect addition to any room. And of course, if you have a record player, it would be so perfect for that. And now here's a little bit of information on how this thing is put together.
Putting this together is pretty simple. It comes with all the parts that are needed, has all the little screws. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of time just because of all the small parts that you're putting together, but pretty easy to assemble, making it come together nicely. The instructions are pretty straightforward. Just paying attention, there aren't any words on them, just numbers and pictures. But as long as you just kind of pay attention to it, it comes together really nice.